Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be finding out how to test your smoke, heat and carbon monoxide alarms. Testing your smoke alarms. Smoke alarms are an essential part of fire safety, so it's important to test them regularly. To test your smoke alarm, simply press the test button. The alarm should sound a loud beep or siren. If it doesn't, the mains power to this may be switched off or the battery may need replacing. Smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years. Removing the cover from a smoke alarm. If you need to replace the battery in your smoke alarm, you'll first need to take the cover off. To do this, look for a small release button on the side of the alarm. Press the release button or place a screwdriver in the release slot. Replace the battery in a smoke alarm with the same make and type. Checking your carbon monoxide alarms. Carbon monoxide alarms are also important for safety, as they can detect the presence of carbon monoxide, a harmful, colourless, odourless gas. To test your carbon monoxide alarm, press and hold the test button. The alarm should sound 4 beeps. If it doesn't, the battery may be dead or the alarm may need to be replaced. Carbon monoxide alarms need to be replaced every 5 to 7 years. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.